Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm so sorry I haven't filmed in a couple of weeks. Honestly, I've just been super busy. I've been ill. I went down to London the other week and I didn't pre-film before I left because honestly I just wasn't feeling inspired and I didn't want to put out content just for the sake of it. But I'm back, I'm feeling rejuvenated. I've got a bit of a cold, I won't lie, but I'm feeling good. So today I thought that I would show you just my everyday makeup. I thought we would do a little chit chat, get ready with me, I'll catch you guys up on my life. I thought I'd show you the makeup that I wear on the daily. Like, I have a few real favourites at the moment that I've been wearing for the past couple of months, and I have a couple of new bits that I want to try out as well. Also guys, Storm Alley is happening outside, so if you can hear that, I'm so sorry. The sun keeps going in and out. There was a bird just a second ago. I saw it just get flung out of a tree by the wind. I felt so sorry for it. It was literally just sitting there minding its own business, and the next minute it was in midair. I mean, it flew off, it was fine, but I nearly cried watching it. So today's video guys is in collaboration with Just Own It, who are London-based designers of makeup tools and accessories, and they very kindly sent me over this little device, which is their brand new makeup mirror. So this is their Spotlight HD Diamond 2.0 True Daylight Mirror, which is really exciting because it has so many different features. So first of all, if we just open this up, look at this guys. It has true daylight mirrors, which is amazing for when you're doing your makeup, especially if you're traveling, because this like folds away. You could just so easily pop this in a suitcase or in a bag. When I go to events in London and stuff, sometimes I have to stay in hotels and the lighting is so often not good enough to do my makeup in, so I'm definitely going to be taking this with me. It'll be so handy. I also love that you can kind of move the mirror around, but I love how you can just position that like exactly how you want it, and you can also just keep your makeup in here if you want to while you're doing your makeup. And do you know what actually really excites me about this? It's got a touch sensitive dimmable switch. How good is that? So I just touch that, touch it again, comes back on. Amazing, love that. And it also comes with a 10 times magnification mirror, which is slightly scary, I'm not gonna lie, but it does attach onto the main mirror as well, which is fab. And also in the box there's an instruction manual, a wall mount with these like little sticky things that you stick it onto the wall with. You can stick it onto painted walls, wooden walls, glass walls, tiled walls, which I think is pretty cool. And it also comes with a USB charger, and it also comes with this super handy cloth to clean it with. Now I'm gonna get onto this makeup look and I'm gonna be using this mirror to do it. Also, if you want to win one of these mirrors for yourself, stay tuned till the end because I have a cheeky little giveaway for you. So for my base, I have been loving these two products. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. It's basically a skin perfecting, glowy, dewy kind of liquid that you put on your face. You can use it in a variety of different ways. I usually use it either underneath or over the top of my foundation or my tinted moisturizer, which this is. This is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. It has been my lifesaver over summertime. This is a slightly lighter shade than my summer shade, and I just love this so much. This is in the shade Ginger. Honestly, I never ever thought that I would be a tinted moisturizer girl, but this stuff is amazing. I've spoken about it on my channel before. I think I've mentioned it in a favourites video before. I've definitely worn it on Instagram before. I actually just blend this in with my fingers, to be honest, and it gives you such a good amount of coverage for a tinted moisturizer. I just really like that natural look for every day. I'm not into a heavy foundation look on the daily. I like it when your skin just looks like skin but slightly enhanced, and this is just amazing for that. And it also is SPF 30. Did I mention that? I don't know, but it's SPF 30. And like I said, I either put the Hollywood Flawless Filter underneath or over the top. When I want a more intense glow, I'll just put a tiny little bit over the top in areas that I want a little bit of glow. I bought this a few weeks ago and honestly, it's one of the best makeup items I've ever bought. Sometimes I use this instead of a highlighter and I just bring a little bit onto my brow bone. I just find that it's enough for day to day, and it looks more natural than a powder highlight as well, even though it's still really glowy. I don't know if the camera is doing that justice, to be honest, but in sunlight, this is unreal. So I've started using this concealer recently. This is the Sleek Life Proof Concealer. I was sent it in a PR package last week, and I've just really been enjoying it. I'm sorry about that lighting change, guys. It reminds me a little bit of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Not the super coverage one, but the original one. It's quite hydrating, but it's buildable as well, which I really like, and it does give you quite a bit of coverage, but it's not cakey or anything. So leave me a comment down below, guys, and let me know what you have been up to. Like I said, I've just been super busy. I was in London the other week. I was meant to be in London this week, but I ended up not going. I had too much work on. By the way, guys, if you just follow me on YouTube and you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram if you're interested in what I'm up to just in my daily life and stuff, because I'm always on my stories, and I feel like if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know me a little bit better than if you follow me just on YouTube. I feel like I share more of just my everyday life on Instagram, whereas on YouTube, I don't know, I'm always just doing like fashion hauls and things like that. That's another thing. I would love it if you would let me know what types of videos you'd like to see. I know that fashion hauls are like really popular and you guys love them, and I absolutely love filming them, and it justifies my spending habits to a certain extent. But if you have any specific types of videos that you'd like to see me film, then do let me know. I'd love to start filming vlogs, but then I just never really get round to it. It kind of feels a little bit daunting, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why, I just haven't vlogged in ages. But when I do vlog, I do love it, and I know you guys love those videos as well. So should I start filming more vlogs? Let me know. So I'm just using my Too Faced Born This Way powder. I'm just popping a little bit underneath my eyes and on my lids, and down the center of my face. By the way, this, guys, is pretty much my date makeup. Like, if I'm doing a makeup look for a date, I will wear this look. I know that you probably wouldn't expect that, because I love me a bit of heavy makeup, but if it's a first date or something, I'll always go quite light. I just think it's really nice when your natural skin shows through. You've just got a little bit of a glow. If it's a nighttime, I would wear foundation and not tinted moisturizer. But if it was a day date, this is what I would look like, not this, like this when I'm finished. So I was sent this the other week, which I really want to try out. It's the Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette. They also have a blush palette, which looks amazing, but I really want to try this out. It just looks so pretty. They also have this new brush to go with it. This is the Soft Angled Contour Brush. It's the F23 brush. It looks really good. I'm gonna go for this warm shade because I'm not gonna contour. I'm just gonna kind of warm my face up a little bit. Ooh, I like this brush. It's picked up a lot of product though, so I'm slightly worried it's gonna be, oh, yeah, that's intense. Whoops. Okay, hopefully it'll just, no! Oh my gosh, it's actually crazy how much product that picked up. Right, can we rectify this? I feel like we can. I like this brush. Oh, come on. Okay, so it seems to be blending it out all right. Yeah, we've rectified it. We're all right. Okay, if you guys get this brush, just be aware. It picks up a hell of a lot of product. It's actually giving me quite a defined contour, even though I was just wanting to bronze my face up. I would probably use this for a night out. That's the only time I actually contour anymore. It really does give you such a precise line. I probably wouldn't use this brush just for like day to day, but if I wanted to contour, this would be amazing. But just for day to day, I do like more of a diffused bronzy look, whereas this has made me look quite chiseled. I also got the Too Faced Sugar and Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette this week, so I want to try this out. So you can basically use any of these shades on your face or on your eyes. It does what it says on the tin, but I haven't tried it out yet. I love the fact that it's got a decent sized mirror in there as well. I'm gonna use this shade, which is called Peach Pop. I do like a pink blush at this time of year. I just think it looks very fresh faced with a paler complexion. Oh, I really like that. That's quite natural, and it's got like gold reflex running through it, which is really nice. It's not too shimmery though. That gives you such a nice glow. I do like to put a little bit of blush on the end of my nose and just where I put my bronzer as well. It just helps to blend it in, and also it just looks quite fresh faced. I really like that look. And I'm going to use this shade, which is called Peach Pearl, for my highlight. This palette, by the way, if you guys have the Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette, it smells exactly the same. It's unbelievable. So this, like most of Too Faced's highlighters, is quite natural, which I think is nice on the daily, to be honest. And I'm just putting a little bit of that along my brow bone. That's pretty for day to day. I really like that. That's kind of similar to my one that I normally use for day to day, to be honest. I mean, I say that's natural, it's still very glowy, but it's just not blinding. Do you know what I mean? So sometimes I do just leave my makeup like this and I don't apply any eyeshadow or any mascara, and that is because if there's one thing I dislike about makeup, it's taking eye makeup off at night. It just takes too long. I find taking my skin makeup off really easy, it's just like one swipe, but sometimes I can't be bothered, like hold the pad over my eye for like ages, like rub it away, just I don't have time for that sometimes. But when I am wearing eyeshadow, I'll usually use like a bronzy shade. So I'm going to use this one called Peach Honey in my crease. I literally go for the most simple look ever. Oh, this is so pretty. It does have a bit of shimmer running through it. Usually I wouldn't put a shimmery shade in my crease, but let's roll with it. Oh, I really like that, you know. I feel like it kind of lifts the eye while creating a little bit of definition. I like that. And then I just pop a little bit underneath my lower lash line too. What are you guys watching on the telly at the minute? I'd really like to know. Is there anything that you're like really into? I'm watching Bake Off and I'm watching Strictly. This is my first year watching Strictly, to be honest, but I felt like I kind of had to because Joe Suggs on it and I was just interested to see how he got on. I'm rooting for Joe. I hope he does really well. Also loving Bake Off, always love Bake Off, but I do prefer it since it's moved to Channel 4. I've got to say, I loved Bezza. Bezza's the one, but I really like Noel Fielding. I think he's hilarious. I do prefer him and Sandy Toksvig as the presenters. I really like their relationship and I find them both really funny. I wasn't that into Mel and Sue, not gonna lie. I mean, they were alright, don't get me wrong, I didn't have anything against them, but I definitely prefer Noel and Sandy. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit more of Peach Pearl onto my brow bone and my inner corner, and I'm actually just gonna put a little bit onto my lids as well. Ooh, that is so nice on the lids. I really like this. That's such a gorgeous shade. It's so brightening. It really makes my eyes look so much bigger. Guys, I actually love this palette so much. The next time I travel, this is coming with me. It's so versatile, it's amazing, and my face looks so glowy. I'm obsessed, I love this. So then I use a combo of two eyeliners to create a really natural look. So to open my eyes up a little bit, I use the Anastasia Pro Pencil, and I use this for numerous different things. I use it on my waterline just to open my eyes up a bit, like I said. I use it to carve out my eyebrows when I'm being lazy. If I've done a bold lip, I use it just to clean that up. It's so versatile. I love this. I wouldn't be without it. The light's gone again, guys. I'm sorry, but I also use a kohl pencil. I'm just going to use this one by Buxom. I'm not really fussy about my kohl pencils, but this is a really good one. I really like it, and it's called Kohl Me. I'm actually going to use the 10 times magnifying mirror for this. So what I do is, this is just a simple little trick that you probably already know, but I run a tiny little bit along my lash line, and it just makes your lashes appear slightly thicker. And then when I get to the end, I just do a tiny little flick. Not so that it looks like a flick, but can you see how much thicker my lashes on this eye look now compared to on this eye? And I also just kind of dot it on my lower lash line as well, and again, it just makes your eyes appear a little bit bigger. My current ride or die mascara is the Bare Minerals Lashtopia mascara. Again, if you watch me regularly, you'll have seen me harp on about this, but it's amazing. You literally need one coat of it and you're out the door. It's unreal. Like, it's just so thickening and lengthening. It's a perfect one for if you're in a rush. Guys, I really want to try the new NARS Climax mascara. I'm so tempted by it. I've seen it hyped up so much, and usually that puts me off a product, but it does look pretty insane. Have any of you guys tried it? If you have, let me know, and let me know what you think about it, because I really am tempted to go and buy it. But can we just appreciate the difference in my lashes from one coat of mascara? I mean, this stuff is insane. I love it. I'm gonna use this lip liner by Buxom. It's the Plump Line lip liner in Dolly Danger. I haven't actually used this before, but I picked it out of my lip liner drawer just because, yeah, it looks exactly the same colour. It's the one I wear day to day. The one I use day to day is the NYX lip liner in Can, but I can't find it for some reason. But this is literally the same colour. I actually prefer the consistency of these lip liners. There's a nude one of these that I use all the time and I love it. So you guys are about to find out my secret weapon. This lipstick that I'm about to wear is my everyday lipstick at the moment, and it's also my go-to date lipstick. It's amazing. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in Amazing Grace. Usually I wouldn't wear a matte lipstick on a date, but these are, oh, I've got eyeliner on my finger, nice. These are just super moisturizing. They don't even feel matte, and they don't look particularly matte either, but they have that staying power. And I just put a little bit of this on. Hang on, I'm gonna stop talking. Look at that, it just wakes up my face. I think it looks so nice. It's almost like a Your Lips but better shade. When it wears off, it definitely just looks like Your Lips but better, and I love it. It's one that you can wear if you're going for a meal. It wears off nice and evenly. It doesn't leave like patches or anything. It's super comfortable to wear. It doesn't bleed. It is amazing. Oh my god. I said it's amazing and it's called Amazing Grace. I didn't mean to do that. But apparently Miranda Kerr wore this on her wedding day. So if it's good enough for Miranda Kerr on her wedding day, it's good enough for me on a date. Okay, so I used this mirror throughout the entire video and it's amazing. I'm actually going to use this for my tutorials from now on because the LED lights make it so much easier. I can just see myself so much clearer than when I use a normal mirror. So I'm very happy about this. So if you guys want to be in with a chance of winning one of these, all you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel and hit the bell, be following me on Instagram, and be following Just Own It on Instagram as well. I'll leave all of the links and everything in the description box below for you. And then just leave me a comment down below and let me know that you've entered. Also, if you could leave me your Instagram or your Twitter handle, that would be great. It just makes it so much easier to contact you guys. And I'll be picking a winner at random, and Just Own It will be in contact with you. I'm going to leave the giveaway dates and everything in the description box below, along with a link to the mirror and their website and everything, so you can go and check them out if you want to. Let me know what you think about this look. I mean, I wear this every single day and I love it. The only thing I change up about this look, if it's a nighttime date, is I wear foundation instead of tinted moisturizer, and sometimes I wear some really natural lashes and I might put a little bit more colour in the crease, but that's about it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!